you want.
Martha, you can sit next to Juliet if you want.
And now, you want to sit here? Yeah. She's going to sit, okay?
Why don't you put your phone book away first? Put your phone book away.
Ahí es.
Put that in your bag so that you don't have to worry about it. You finish your other book? You haven't, okay.
Started it and I haven't. I get like that about.
It's not, well, the other one held your interest. This one maybe it is, but it isn't.
It's similar, but yeah, the other one's in.
Yeah, the other one, you're like, all right, we're. But that's what it is, like, sometimes you love a book like that you keep wanting to pick up and, you know. I had one, I have one floating around in my bag since the beginning of the school year that I can't, I like it, but I don't love it. Like, as a last year's, I'm like, all right, I'll sit and read it, but it's not something that I'm like, okay, I have a couple of minutes, like,
Right.
like, that's not that type of book.
Hello.
There she is. Hi.
What's going on? She didn't get lost.
I was, but she came in, but I wanted to get out of the cafeteria.
Oh, Judy's meeting? So she's coming here now?
Oh, so she needs to come to take Joel?
Yeah.
You're like, he's fine.
Oh,
But I wanted to get out and see what the cool kids were doing. Cafeteria gets a little crazy. A little?
After a while.
That's why I work 3 days a week, so I'm like,
why don't
you
you
get
do
twitchy.
this?
Do wine? I do wine?
You could do it.
Do this?
Yeah.
I can't make the hours, and because of my youngest son, so I can't do the
When he
hours.
gets older then.
Yeah.